Hello, beautiful souls. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the signs that show you that divine feminine energy is awakened inside you. Divine feminine is closely related to the twin flames, and divine feminine energy is the main source point that guides you through the entire journey. So, the people who are already on their twin flame journey would understand the importance of awakening the divine feminine inside them. So, moving forward with the sign, one of the signs that show the divine feminine energy is trying to awaken inside you is you feel excessive sense of negativity inside you. It can be regarding a co-worker, regarding a family member, or anyone, and it will be such like you are not able to stop this mind chatter inside you. So this mind chatter will be so intense that it will not allow you to rest. It will be a continuously ongoing process in your mind. It will not allow you to focus on the other things like your daily routine. And most important thing is that these thoughts, this energy inside you can this negative energy inside you can arise at any time. It can be in the middle of night, it can be at the daytime. So the most obvious sign in this case is that you will not be able to stop this mind chatter and it will start eating you inside. In such a case, this means that this negativity, these negative thoughts which are coming up inside you, these need to be thrown out of your system immediately. So consider a case of diarrhea, where the undigestible stuff is thrown out of the body. The body can't sustain it inside anymore. Similarly, this negative energy comes up as it needs to be thrown out of your being. You might think how it can be a symptom of divine feminine awakening, but the reason for this is that when the pure energy is trying to awaken inside your being, when this energy is trying to come inside your being, the this negativity needs to be thrown out. The space should be made inside your system so that this energy can have a space inside your being. So all such negativity which you have against a coworker, against a family member, it can be against any life situation which you are facing, it needs to be thrown out of your body, out of your mind. So if we talk about handling this, how to handle this situation, there are many ways by which you can do this. The best and most easy way is to write it down on a paper as a rough, and each and every single thing that is coming up, and then you can release it. You can set an intention truthfully, being honest to yourself, and write it clear that I release it. In my case, when I started noticing such symptoms, I was very deprived of my sleep, and I was not able to focus on my daily routine. I was not able to concentrate on anything. It like I was so negative about certain things, and finally I realized that I need to do something regarding it. So I started writing it, and I also used to burn it. And trust me, all those negative thoughts which were pushed out of my being never came back to my mind, never came back to my body again. And even if I try to think about them, I can't. I don't even realize that these things ever existed in my reality here. Either you can write it in your phone notes or diary or a piece of paper, and then if you wish you can burn it. I personally refer writing in my phone notes. Everybody has a mobile phone nowadays, so I personally write it in my notes section of my phone. This helps me to release at the present moment without holding it inside. For example, if I'm busy with my daily routine and I find something is coming up inside me, I just write it in my notes without holding it inside. So nowadays phone acts as an extended organ of humans. So of course we can't take pen, paper, and diary, and we can't start writing in front of everybody. So writing this negativity out helps a lot. Now, this negativity that I had was related to my life situations, to my job, to my family members, and some part of it was related to myself also. When collectively I tried to release this energy, finally I was able to make space for the divine feminine to rise inside me. So this was one of the signs that can if this is happening with you, if you are feeling so much of negativity inside you, and you feel that you cannot sustain it, you feel that you will burst out of due to all these thoughts, now it is time that you should try and you should throw it out of your being. So setting an intention is very easy. When you set an intention with yourself truthfully, you will be able to do it. And what happens is, once a particular part of these thoughts I released, the next used to come up, and then I released that, the third used to come up. So it was a continuous activity that I can't say it has been 2 years, and since I'm doing all this thing, I'm still releasing the things out. So once they are released, you will never feel that these things existed, were a part of your reality on the earth. So this was one sign that I wanted to share about. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Hope this resonates with you. Let me know in the comments also if this resonated with you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.